Hi everybody, Doug here. Just wanted to give a quick word on this product right here which I've used, Blaster Garage Door Lubricant, which I used on my garage door, sprayed it on very liberally in several different places, and the squeak that used to be there isn't there anymore. So I think it's a really good product. I'll put a link in the description box where you can find it. Of course, you can also find it at your local hardware store. I'll show you just a few places where I used it. Sprayed it on each one of these joints, inside and out. Sprayed it on each of these hinges, just like this. You know, kind of gets everywhere, but like this. Let me do a different one. Spray it on like this. Just get it in everywhere. Use it liberally. Sprayed it on the track up here that the garage door opener rides on. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks.